Ankle breakers.
Figure out why Ian's taking his vest off.
Too many ankle breakers.
Maybe because it's so good.
Welcome to Common Cocktails. Dan, Derek, and Ian are going to make the ankle breaker. Boom! Easy, breaking your ankles. Simple cocktail compared to what we've done.
Yes.
I'm going to break it down for you. It's going to be an ounce of fresh lemon juice, an ounce of cherry herring, an ounce of high overproof rum, 151 amber, something like this. Half ounce of simple syrup. I have chosen to forego using my Don Q 151 for a product I pick up tonight, which is 69%. So, what did we say? Echo, what's 69 times 2?
138.
69 times 2 is 138.
138 proof.
Ian, you're still right.
O.F.T.D. Plantation Artisanal Rum. Because it's tasty, and the Don Q is also tasty.
Is it tasty?
It is tasty.
Let's find that out.
Yeah, here.
Oh.
Because guess what was in there already? Some of that tastiness.
Oh, there we go.
Well, you just
It's
got
overproof though, Dan.
Dan's hogging it. I mean, Ian's hogging it from you. There you go. Take a shot.
Not
Boom.
a shot. That's
Over F.T.D. O.F.T.D. What is O.F.T.D?
Over.
proof.
Old fashioned traditional dark. Huh.
Oh.
Nothing to do with over.
No.
You're gonna add crushed ice to the glass as you're seeing on cam, and then he's gonna shake it with that. You're gonna dump it right into your old fashioned.
Fuck.
It's a little
But
strong.
it's really tasty.
It's tasty.
It's
You
tasty.
just gotta wait a second.
Oh, damn, by the way, it's overproof.
Oh,
It's traditional dark.
damn. Oh, it's good sweetness to it though.
Yeah,
it's like
really good.
it's kind of like if you took that and then you blended it with like this, and you'd be there.
No,
Jesus.
you're overproof that.
Yeah. Derek went shopping.
But then you overproof it.
Yeah.
That's good.
Like you
Spoiler
don't kind of want as much water.
Spoiler alert. Woo, that shit's fucking strong.
Really?
It's really tasty though.
Well,
It is.
but look, it looks like coffee.
It does.
Looks like old White Russian without any cream in it. Dark Russian. Black Russian?
I can go with that. Black Russian.
That
Yeah.
cherry herring clouds it up a little bit.
Yeah. Does it look okay on cam?
Yep.
Sweet! Breaking. Here you go. We're going from, I think that was a good choice.
Solomon, I've been trying to be good.
He used to drink from the bottle.
Thank COVID happened.
Ooh.
I think this like this.
Oh,
The other
Good
option,
flavor.
that's good.
see, the other one would be to go with a lemon heart. This is my new
lemon
bottle.
heart would be good,
My
too.
new bottle, 151. But this is an amber. This is dark, so it falls into the same category as that. I think. I don't know. I'm starting to really enjoy the.
Well, you lose all of like the.
I don't fucking. No, you're getting that cherry herring.
No. I'm
No,
saying you
like-
lose all like the alcohol burn of like the
yeah.
rum and like
Well,
and you get the
that's the only alcohol in here, so
You
everything
get the
else is just
flavor.
diluting it,
Yeah.
which is nice.
Yeah.
and so in the obviously the cherry herring comes
I don't get
across.
lemon
Which
at
is
all.
why they probably
I don't get lemon at all either.
It's so simple. Like, not to, I mean, it's complicated from a drink perspective. There's 4 ingredients, yay. But like,
Do I have some?
it's
Yeah.
yeah, I did.
Oh shit, that's really good.
It's surprisingly delicious. I made this because
Well, that rum is
It-
really good. So.
yeah, it
Cherry
might be
herring's
the
awesome.
Yeah,
The
the
rum
is.
herring.
the cherry herring is definitely like highlighted in this.
It comes through like it
smoky
just
cherry
like
and-
It's just like
It's not overpoweringly sweet though, and
It's weird.
sweet, but
Starts
it's like
cherry.
a good sweet.
it's not
like,
overpoweringly
yeah.
sweet. Yeah,
No, it's like I get like dark
it's very
fruit
well
flavor.
balanced. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's a dark smoky cherry.
yeah. And you don't get the overproof. You just get the rum because it's been diluted with sugars and lemons and cherry herring.
And this is another lemon drink that Dan didn't do his face.
You don't get any lemon.
You don't.
It's not even sour. It's just it feels like it's almost perfectly balanced,
So disappointing.
which I guess makes
You guys are just waiting for it, right?
it makes sense if you sorta.
It's
There's
really good.
there's an ounce of lemon juice, but there's an ounce of cherry herring, which isn't all sweet, and then simple syrup,
well,
which
it
is
is
sweet,
overproof rum.
and then overproof rum just keeps it all.
Well, that
in
rum
balance,
is
so
really sweet.
That rum is good.
Yeah.
It's tasty. It's
Yeah, but it has
It's
the
sweet
alcohol
before it
kick,
burns your
because
face.
The overproof you definitely get.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's just like on the back end. It's just
Yes.
it's really sweet and like
yeah. which is a plantation, like that's their thing. Like all their products tend to be a little sweet.
Well,
Obviously,
that's why,
they add sugar.
I think Christopher said a lot of people don't like it because they add sugar.
Yeah, because it's not pure. Like if you get a Bacardi, people shit on Bacardi, but there's no
What you do with
sugar.
every cocktail you make is you add sugar. So.
Right.
Right. So having sugarless spirits makes it easier because you can control it a little bit, but it's still delicious. So like humans like sugar. You just like sugar. So you just gotta live with it.
Thanks,
That's
government.
good.
Yeah.
There's a story behind our sugar consumption back in the 50s and stuff.
Yeah, it's on Netflix.
Yeah.
There's a whole one on like pirates and stuff. It's pretty interesting.
Oh, cool.
And they used to
Haven't seen
trade and like they just bring in like sugar, like a pound of sugar, like a bag of sugar, and that would be like their bartering. And they just come in and they buy a whole bunch of like a lot of stuff with just a bag of sugar. You can't get it anywhere else. Imagine somebody coming to you going, "This is your sugar consumption," and you're like, "Fuck yes, coffee. I want like sugar in my coffee, and this is the only thing I can get for like 8 months. Yeah, I'll take it. What do you want?
You're like, I'm
You
good.
want my daughter? Fine. Take it."
Yeah. And what do we do with the remains of the sugar? Oh, we make alcohol.
Right.
You make alcohol. This drink is from the Swamp Fox Room from Francis Marion Hotel in Charleston, South Carolina, circa 1950. So that's pretty nice.
Oh, so we can't go there today?
Apparently, there's a warehouse restaurant in Mariana Del Rey, California, and they had a warehouse barrel rum, and that's what this was. And then there was this other drink, like this specific ankle breaker, which was ankle breaker. Yeah, that's right. Ankle breaker. Before, so somebody saw this at this South Carolina place, probably brought it to their place and said, "This is going to be our rum barrel. Like this is going to be our product." So they just basically riffed off of it, boom, and they took it and made it their own. Which with Tiki, fog cutters become new names.
Yeah.
Mai Tais get different names. Deep sea diver versus there's skin diver and a bunch of other. They come up with another name for it. So people steal stuff. That's just what they do. Our executive producer may be in here, Dianna. Thank you for being a Patreon. No, not Patreon. You're a YouTube subscriber because I can't get my Patreon. So you can click the join button on YouTube and give me like $5 a month. And that'll help me because I quit my job this week and now I have none. So
Right.
it would be nice because I get a lot of interviews I gotta have to do. So click the join button, at least for like a month, just in case.
Oh, you quit your job. Why were you running around today? You should have all sorts of free time.
Like I don't normally work on Saturday.
Oh.
You're one of those.
You're one of those. You're a slacker.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is gonna have to go into the recipe.awesomedrace.com.
That one's
This is
really good.
tasty.
Yeah.
And now I'm gonna need, and it's always gonna have this because I never want to make it again with anything else.
Oh, there you go. Question
That's
today.
great.
You have $700,000. What's the first bottle you're buying?
So,
No,
What?
like you need something-
so you just got $700,000. What's the first bottle you're buying? Yeah, I'm gonna get myself a bottle. I'm gonna get myself a case of Cherry Heering. Like with $700,000.
I mean, if you're looking to spend as much as possible, then you go for some Louis Trays, right?
I don't even know what I would do. I wouldn't even go to the liquor store, to be honest with you. That would not be the first thing on my list.
I'd be drinking champagne.
Yeah, I can see him doing that.
Yeah.
Or
might-
Hennessy.
Like really expensive Hennessy.
Hennessy.
I just go buy
Hennessy.
all the stuff at the liquor store in the glass backed boxes.
Yeah, in the, whatever's in the cabinet.
Like barrel bourbon, what's that? Oh, there's one in existence. I'll take it.
I'm drinking.
Yeah, right on the spot. And then when they arrest me, I'm like, fuck it, don't matter to me. I'll
Not
just...
only will I take it, open that.
Yeah. Open it, drink it.
So there's your question today. $700K. What are you gonna do with it when you go to buy your first bottle of spirits? Warehouse restaurant.
I would just say money's no object. What booze are you buying, right?
I guess.
Oh, I'm totally buying vodka.
Well, there you go. Don't forget, check us out on TikTok. It's at Common Man Cocktails. That is our username. 1 minute videos, then you don't have to watch the whole
the
17
trolls,
minutes
Jim.
of
Feed the
this
trolls.
bullshit.
Being the trolls.
Sidebar.
Yes.
Drinks. More. Tiki drinks. Like this.
Make them.
Make them all. And dish it on at the same time. Down below, bartender starter kit. Get yourself started. Tiki for me is your coupon code. Save 20% off till October 1st, 2022. That's it, my friends. Teach you how to drink.